And, it is a tall ask because the last 15 years, according to the BJP, have been 15 years of misgovernance led by Mamata Banerjee. So now that they have this mandate and massive opportunity, it will only be prudent for the BJP to start delivering, at least in terms of optics, send the right messages so that the people who voted for change, Pariborton, as Prime Minister said it, feel that Pariborton from day one when Suvendu Adhikari begins his inning as the Chief Minister of West Bengal, the first BJP Chief Minister in a state that has been dominated by the left party for 34 years, and then you had Mamata ruling for 3 terms, 15 years. So BJP's golden innings, their chance to realize the dream and promise of Sonar Bangla begins today.
So I have our colleague Shivam joining us and also Rajesh reporting live. In moments from now, the legislature party meeting is going to get underway, and in that meeting there will be a confirmation, the BJP reposing faith in Suvendu Adhikari, the most prominent face of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the state of West Bengal, the man who defeated Mamata Banerjee in her bastion of Bhawanipur, repeated the Nandigram 2021 performance, also won from the seat of Nandigram this time. Shivam, coming across to you, where are you reporting from? What's happening around you? Tell us the latest developments.
Well, Sagarika, just a few moments ago, Amit Shah, the Home Minister, has left this particular hotel. He was staying here. He had a meeting with other senior dignitaries here. There was Suvendu Adhikari was also here, Sukanta Majumdar, Bhupendra Yadav, Sunil Bansal. These are all the people who were a part of the core committee during the entire elections. This oversaw the entire development from North Bengal to South Bengal, all 294 constituencies. They are in direct touch with all the MLAs, and here for over 2 hours Amit Shah was there with other senior leaders while they have reached the convention center. Amit Shah has just left, and in a very short moment from now, you will also see the visuals of Amit Shah reaching the convention center where our colleague Pranesh and Ridhita are also present. And there, the final announcement will be made. As you rightly mentioned, Suvendu Adhikari, the person who has